If you are looking for a budget Redmi smartphone, then this video is going to be for you, and let's start the video. Hey guys, this is Munir and you are watching Techie for You. Today we are going to discuss about the Redmi 9 Power, which is recently launched by Xiaomi's Redmi. Yes, Xiaomi has launched a Redmi 9 Power, which is going to be a really super, because the battery is going to be a very big, and the display and the design and the stylish features, the colors is really looking amazing. So first of all, we talk about the body. The body has a weight 198 gram and it was built with Gorilla Glass 3 plastic frame and with plastic black. So it has a dual SIM, nano SIM and dual standby. And so we next move to the display. Display category, we can see size with 6.53 inches. And resolution is going to be a 1080 into 2340 pixels and with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. So we have a platform of OS with Android 10 and MIUI 12 with a chipset of Qualcomm SM6115 Snapdragon 662 with octa-core processor, and memory is going to be a really wonderful with 64GB and 4GB RAM, 128GB storage with 4GB RAM. So we next move on to the main camera section. The camera is going to be a 48 megapixel camera which is wide, and 8 megapixel camera which is ultra wide, and another 2 megapixel for macro, and finally the fourth 2 megapixel camera is for depth. It has a LED flash, HDR, panorama features with the video resolution is 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, and it has a selfie camera. If you talk about the selfie camera, is 8 megapixel which is wide, and video is 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. We can capture 1080 pixels video in selfie camera too. And we move to the next section, sound, which is loudspeaker with stereo speakers, and we have 3.5 mm jack, and with sensor, fingerprint side mounted sensor with the big monster battery, 6000 mAh mega battery, non-removable with the fast charging of 18 watts and the reverse charging of 2.5 watt. So we can get this phone with 4 colors. So we need to choose any one color, or we can buy all the 4 for our family. See the mighty blue and the fiery red and electric green and blazing blue. So this phone is going to be a really amazing in Redmi section. I think Redmi is the first phone who launched a budget phone with so many features in budget price, and after the Samsung and Micromax, Redmi has delayed to launch a budget phone with 6000 mAh big battery. For the first time it has launched, really they have launched 6000 mAh battery very late, I think. So that is the big major backdrop of this phone. So this phone has a 2 variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 4GB RAM with 128GB storage. The 4GB plus 64GB combination is going to be a 10999, and 4GB plus 128GB storage is going to be 11999. This phone is going to be available on 22nd December in mi.com and mi homepage and redmi.com with flipkart.com. So don't miss to buy this Redmi Power Pack phone with 48 megapixel quad camera with 6000 mAh battery with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 up to 128GB storage. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until then, we meet in next video. It's bye from Munir. Take care. Bye bye. See you, and subscribe to our channel Techie for You. Don't miss to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Like this video and share with your lovable friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Be safe.